I'm really frustrated right now, and I'm hoping someone out there in this community can help me. I, as you know, have never had gopher issues before we moved here a year ago. And since I've moved here, that's all we've had is gopher issues. I foiled the bunnies with the fence. I foiled the squirrels with the tool. And I thought I had foiled the gophers by putting hardware cloth on the bottom of my raised beds. Let's go look, shall we? I came out here this morning for my normal morning walk around and to do some watering. And I noticed in one of the beds that there was a little mound, like a gopher mound. But because I had taken precautions, the thought of a gopher being in there absolutely was the last thing to enter my mind. I figured maybe a squirrel was in there digging or something, because they do that. Then I noticed I had missed a couple of zucchini. I pulled one, and on the bottom, where it touched the ground, it had been eaten on. So right underneath there, I dug down a little bit, and sure enough, a tunnel. And I thought, where could this tunnel go? This bed is 6 inches deep with gopher wire 100% stapled to the bottom, so there's no way he got in that way. So I came around the other side of this bed. So let me show you here. So here was the start of the tunnel. Right here is where the zucchini was laying. The tunnel goes right under, can you see that? Right under there. The tunnel goes about 12 inches or 15 inches to the edge. Literally from here to here. I dug down a little bit, but there was a little hole right here next to the 2x6. So he obviously came in here, jumped in, dug down, and attacked the zucchini. Now, I could understand if there was a gopher hole or tunneling or something in one of the paths next to this bed, but there isn't. There's no tunneling. I don't see a gopher hill anywhere in this vicinity. So, from what I've read about gophers, they don't come out of their hole or their tunnel more than half of their body length if they just need to grab something really quick. This guy was like, I don't even know where his original hole would be. So I'm frustrated. I don't know what to do. Does this mean now that I need to now build all of these beds 12 inches in height? And I can't do that because all these are planted here, so I can't do anything until all of these plants are taken out and before fall planting. I'm so frustrated. It's just one thing after another. All of you who are first-time gardeners being frustrated, 30 plus years here. Now I can chalk it up saying I've never dealt with gophers before, but you know, in gardening, there's something new a lot of the time. You know, something new pops up you've never dealt with and you have to figure it out. So, if anyone out there has any type of gopher experience, I gotta go sit in the shade, it's hot. Okay, if anybody out there has any type of gopher experience, please help me figure this out. I mean, is it a gopher? Is there something else that would travel across the top of the ground and then dig underneath for 12 to 15 inches and attack the bottom of a zucchini? A squirrel would just jump in and take the top of the zucchini. So I've never dealt with any ground-dwelling mammal pests before. So if you have, please help me out with this, because I'm about to lose it. I've done all this work, and now if a gopher gets in all these beds and tears everything up, you know, and you can't even put a trap in. If it's a 12-inch tunnel from the edge of the bed to wherever he ended up, he's not even in there anymore, and he may not be coming back. So would a trap even work? So this is an extra video this week. I'll still have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but I just needed to get this out ASAP. So anyone that is out there that has advice to offer, I will gladly take it 100%. Thank you.